You're not falling behind because AI is getting smarter. You're falling behind because you're still working like it's 2015. The truth is, your job won't be replaced by AI. It will be replaced by an engineer or professional who masters AI. And if you don't become that person, someone else will. And they'll outpace you even if they have less experience and seniority than you. Because right now, there are engineers quietly doing the work of 5 people, without working harder, without burning out, but by building systems around them. Let's make this real. In one department, there are 5 design engineers. One of them starts using AI differently. He doesn't just ask it questions, he builds AI agents. Now suddenly, his emails are drafted automatically. His meeting minutes are summarized before the meeting even ends. His reports are written, structured, and checked. His design iterations are explored faster than anyone else. So the question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, will I become the one who replaces 5? Or one of the 5 who gets replaced? And this isn't theory. It's already happening. Most people use AI for basic stuffs. Top engineers use AI to multiply themselves. That's where AI agents come in. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It's a system that can understand a goal, make decisions, and take actions to complete tasks on your behalf. Think of it like this. ChatGPT gives you suggestions. AI agent actually does the work. For example, a quality engineer can build an agent that reads inspection reports, detects deviations, decides the lot's dispositions. A project engineer can build one that reads incoming emails, extracts tasks, updates a task tracker, and sends follow-ups. A mechanical engineer can have an agent that compares design variations based on solutions cost and manufacturing complexity, highlights resistance risks, and selects the right materials considering the reliability, consumer safety, and all other important criterias. And the crazy part? You don't need to be a programmer anymore to build this. Tools like Base44 or Replit are making this accessible. With platforms like these, you can literally describe what you want, and the system builds it with you by using a prompt as easy as, create an app with an AI assistant that tracks project tasks, summarizes updates, and flags delays. And it doesn't just respond, it connects to tools, updates data, and runs workflows automatically. That's the difference. You're no longer just working in systems, you're building systems that work for you. And here's where it gets practical. Let's say you already use AI for writing emails, fixing grammar, answering technical questions. That's level 1. Now let's upgrade that. Instead of writing emails manually, you create an agent that reads incoming emails, understands context, drafts replies in your tone, suggests decisions. Instead of taking meeting notes, rewriting and sending them in an hour, you record the meeting. AI summarizes key decisions, creates action points, assigns responsibilities. Instead of spending weeks reviewing contracts, you upload the document. AI highlights risky clauses, and then suggests counterproposals in an updated version. Instead of filling out audits or complaint reports, AI structures your notes, pre-fills the templates. You only need to review, fine-tune, and send. Now multiply that across your entire week. That's where the 50% time saving comes from. Not one tool or app, a system of agents. I know this might sound too complex or too good to be true, but the secret is, start small. You don't need to master everything. You just need to start building one small system, one app, or one agent that solves one real problem in your daily work. Because once you do that, you will gradually start moving from the executor to the agents and apps creator. Okay, but where do I even start learning this? There are free platforms like edX that explain AI agents and how they work. Even beginner tutorials show the core idea. Define what the agent should do. Give it tools. Let it execute tasks automatically. That's it. You don't need to become an AI expert. You need to collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. Feed it your goals, context, and constraints clearly, and start building small automated systems and refining and fine-tuning as you start using them. And don't worry about becoming less relevant or less smart in the process. Collaborating with AI also means working as a team. Let's think through this together. Challenge this. Criticize this presentation. AI will give you options, sometimes too many. Your value is choosing what actually matters. Trade-offs, priorities, direction. That's human. Now you realize that the gap is no longer between junior and senior engineers. It's between engineers who use AI for basic stuffs and engineers who multiply themselves through AI. One group becomes faster, the other becomes irrelevant. So don't wait until it's too late. And remember that the engineers who win in this era aren't the smartest. They're the ones who adapt first. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more career breakthrough secrets. And if you're serious about taking your career to the next level, check the resources underneath this video.